Hi, in this video I will show you how to see remove friends on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. If you have removed the friend and now you want to see if it's removed from your friend list or not, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Snapchat mobile application. Now go to your chats and you will see all of your friend list here. So let's say I check this my friend, tap on it and you will see a snap score here. So you will see this score only when this person is friend on your Snapchat. Let's say I remove this friend from my friend list, click on more, remove this friend, and now you have to click on the search on the top, add friend, and I search for the same friend, and let's say this was my friend on the Snapchat, and you will see there is no snap score here. So in this way you can see the remove friends on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.